Right, okay, welcome back. This is another video of the car factory simulation game production line. I am the designer and programmer, Cliff, by Positech Games. It's in alpha now, it'll be in early access very soon. Okay, so we skipped a week because I was actually away for a few days, but I got loads of stuff done before then. So I'm going to talk about some of the stuff that is in this build. This is version 1.17. If you've got an earlier version, just reuse your download link from Humble and you will get the very latest version. This is quite a big factory. Oh, no research. Oh, I'll talk about this in a minute. Let's research something. Takes a while. Okay, so what's new, I hear you ask? One thing that's new is we changed the GUI stuff here, so we've actually got folders now. I think we needed to do that because I'm always working with a big screen and some people have much smaller screens, and I want the flexibility to add loads of stuff. So once it's in yet, we won't. It's not in at the moment, but once it's in, we're not just going to have a marketing department. We'll have a variety of them. We'll have a design studio as well and a load of other stuff as well. So I wanted to organise this, so we've got folders now. Exciting. What else is it? Oh yeah, this is more of a big thing, more of a kind of game thing. If I go in and pick something that we're fitting, oh, let's pick wheels. Pick wheels. We've got upgrades here. So I've researched 4 upgrades here. There's only 5 upgrades for wheels. So you've got a spare wheel. 3 varieties of extra robots. You can see I've got 4 robots there working away to make things quick, and alloy wheels. So that's always been the case. What we've got now though is you can toggle that off. So I can toggle that off and say, yeah, I've researched alloy wheels and I've put the equipment in here to fit alloy wheels, but don't fit them at the moment. So that's the first stage towards making this more kind of customizable. And you'll notice actually that the wheels then change. They change to be these old-fashioned wheels that you've got there on that car. If I show you a different car, look, you can see they've got the nice shiny wheels that look more expensive. Because that's a new thing. We've got alloy wheels in now. Got to have your alloys. Oh dear. Anyway, so that's a new thing. You can toggle stuff on and off. Right, what else we got? We have got changes to this. There were some big changes to the way pricing works. I've never been happy with the way pricing works. It's always been a bit rubbish. So with a lot of going back and forth and design changes, this is the best way. This is the way that works. And essentially you just set the price premium for the car. At the moment I've set a price premium of 30% because I'm not making that many cars. I don't have a huge amount of stock, so I don't mind charging a premium and effectively waiting for customers to come to me. But you'll notice here if you look that that's a 30% premium, that's 30%, that's 82%. And if I change this down, so I change my premium to 0, you'll notice it's 40%. So basically air conditioning is coming with a built-in price premium, and that's because it's very rare at the moment. Hardly anyone is making cars with air conditioning. I researched it early. So as a result, I get to charge more for, like, hey, you know, I've got this thing, in the same way that, you know, Tesla have self-driving capabilities that they can probably overcharge for because no one else has got it. Over time, the AI is going to research that and drop that premium. So you have very rare, then you have rare, smaller premium. Then you have common, where you just get the normal price. And then we've got something called universal, which, oh, here we go, universal. That's in-car music. So I've got radio in the car. And all the competitors have researched this. So it's basically every car's got music. So you don't get to charge any kind of premium for that. It's expected. And actually I can't show you here, but if I didn't have that, it would actually reduce the price of the car. It'd be a penalty for being a really behind the times car. Pay no attention to that feature that's not in this build. Anyway, so that's a new thing. That simplifies this, and I think it works really well. So that ties into me looking at research. If I go into research, we've changed things actually, so we have 2 tabs because it got a bit unwieldy. So you've now got processes for like the factory upgrades, effectively, and then we've got technologies for like the car upgrades. And you'll notice these little icons here and there. If it's nothing, that means we're ahead of the game. It's if we've researched that, that's very rare. If there's one little car icon like there is there, that means some of our competitors have researched it. 2 means some more. That's pretty much common. If I get this for in-car music, you'll notice that's universal. That means that's expected. And I'm going to work on the GUI a lot on the research stuff, and it's going to get a lot bigger as well. So we've got some new stuff actually. So like I say, if we go to wheels, I'm not sure where it is actually. We've also got LED headlights and xenon headlights. They might be new. Yeah, alloy wheels is a new thing. I didn't know where to put it, so it's under performance features. Car didn't go faster because it's got nicer wheels. But anyway, whatever. So that's all that stuff. Let's get back to the exciting map. Probably done other things, haven't I? I normally do. Oh yeah, we fixed a load of things. Hopefully I can demonstrate this with loans, but I might have some old ones. Yeah, I used to get loans that that were 0, and that's been fixed. Oh, something that we've got is support for mutually exclusive upgrades. So, for example, we've got headlights. I'll show you this actually. Look at a headlights. Where are headlights fitted? Quite late, as I recall. That looks like headlights. Yeah, this is cool. Look. So we're making headlights somewhere. I can't think where it is. Where is it? Makey headlights. Make light. Yes, we take some glass, we take some steel. Yeah, so there's an upgrade here. There's all like new tech here. So we can build directional headlights, xenon headlights, or LED headlights, and these are new things. And it's a little bit like we were doing with the transmission. These are new upgrades that are applied to that resource item. You then fit that, and here you'll see if I mouse over it, you can see most of my lights are normal, but I've got some that are directional, blah 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 blah. Anyway, if I... Maybe a bug here, which would be embarrassing, wouldn't it? If I buy both of those. There you go. There you go. Got it right. At last. So, I've researched both xenon headlights and LED headlights. I can only have one at a time. I can only apply one technology at a time. Wouldn't make sense otherwise. So I think I actually do have a bug there in that. I may have made those before, and I hope so. So we have mutually exclusive upgrades now. So that's a new thing. There's 3 times as much music. I don't know if you can hear this or not, but we have like, wow! Suddenly it went to a quiet bit. There's loads of music now. Which we didn't have before. I was going to go to something else now. The installer's much bigger because we've got 3 times the music. Yeah, this is new music, right? I lose track. Anyway, what am I looking at? I think that's everything. That's a week. Turn that down again. I think that's everything. That's a week. So what's coming up? Well, we're probably gonna get an upgraded user interface design. So I know that's not a high priority, but it probably is for people who haven't yet bought the game. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of user interface stuff. Also, I'm going to be getting it ready to appear on Steam and GOG. When we do that, we'll put the price up. Because the price is low. People keep tipping us when they buy the game, which is excellent, thank you. Pretty much a sign that it's too cheap, I think. We will be putting the price up, but I'll let people know a week beforehand anyway. So anyway, if you have the game already, please vote on our priorities on the main screen. Hope you like the changes that we've made, and we've got new stuff coming. There's loads of new music in this, and I think that makes it a lot better. And the user interface is going to get better as well. Going to put more achievements in and everything. It's currently $13, as I recall. It is production line on PC only, coming to Steam, blah blah blah. By Positech Games. I am Cliff. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next week.